Hey guys, Sam here, and today I have some long overdue maintenance to do on the 330CI. So I'm going to be replacing one of the upstream O2 sensors, and hopefully it'll get rid of my check engine light. As you guys can see, when I turn the car on, I have a service engine soon light. And when I plug in my code reader, it shows up as two active codes, and they're both related to the Bank 1 Sensor 1 O2 sensor. So I ordered a used O2 sensor on eBay, and hopefully that'll fix the problem. So the problematic O2 sensor on my E46 is right in the front of the engine, right behind the secondary air pump. You guys might be able to see it down there. It's that little metal plug. So what I'm going to have to do is remove the secondary air pump, remove the cabin air filter up top, and both of the engine covers, and then I'll be able to access the plug for the O2 sensor, which is right in the back of the engine, and then I'll be able to swap in the new one. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and remove the secondary air pump now. It has two hoses on it and three 10mm bolts. Alright guys, so on my car, this second hose that's connected to the secondary air pump was really stubborn, so I decided to just do the top one and then move it out of the way. You can see down here now, there's a better look at the O2 sensor down there. That's what I'm going to be replacing. So now I'm going to take off this cabin air filter and these two engine covers just so I can get better access to the plug in the back. Now the engine covers are off, so we can get a look at the plug. So if you follow the O2 sensor all the way around, you can see it plugs in right here. And it even looks like it got ripped, so the actual O2 sensor itself might be in good condition, but the wires might be messed up. Either way, I'm going to replace it. I'm going to go ahead and unplug it here, and then I'm going to take off the bolt down there. You have to have a special socket to do it. This is a spark plug removal socket, and you can see it has a groove on the side to let the wire come out. And then when I put the new one on, I'm going to use some anti-seize on the tip of it, just in case I have to remove it again. It won't get seized onto the block. Here's a comparison of the old and the new O2 sensor. You can see the old one is like white and chalky. It's definitely not supposed to look like that. It's supposed to be brown like this one. And also, in some places, the wire looks like it's almost snipped on the old one. Whereas on the new one, it looks like it's in great shape. So I'm going to go ahead and put the new one in, and I will check to see what happens if we can get this engine light to go away. Alright guys, we did it. The car's running. We got no codes on the dashboard, and when I look at the OBD reader, it says no codes are stored in the module. So I'm going to go ahead and button up the rest of the car, put the engine covers and the cabin air filter back on, get everything buttoned back up. Alright guys, I just finished buttoning up everything in the engine bay. Feels so good to finally have no codes on the gauge cluster again. If you guys enjoyed the video, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe.